What up, YouTube? Figured I'd go over a quick little video about how to reset a Volkswagen Jetta 2021 oil change light. So on the dash it was telling us that the oil change was off. We went through everything on the screen, on this screen, couldn't find it. So had to get out the old scanner, and you pull the car up, you hit menu, go down to service reset. Look at, there it is. Oil reset, reset oil maintenance, yes. You give it a second and it will clear the code out for you. Reset was successful. Now let's see if what it tells us on the dash here. No key detected. Stop it. See, it was telling us that it had been overdue for an oil change. Let's see what it says now. Looks like the reminder's gone. That's a win.